Today we've been in Sydney for the advisory forum in Australia. It's our third one, which means we've got to know each other a little bit and continuing some really rich conversations.
We'll be talking today about two topics: when deliveries don't go as planned and Uber support, so we can start thinking of some solutions and how to make the experiences better as a whole.
Without our delivery people, the food doesn't get from our restaurants to our customers, so it's super important to hear their experiences in person. When you're doing so many trips, we're trying to focus on those things that don't go right and how we can best support delivery people when that happens.
It was really good to speak to other drivers that are from Queensland that face the same type of issues that I find in my local area. It's to be able to take the voices that we've heard on the forums and the phone calls and take that message back to Uber.
I came to know that they have lots of problems which is related to me. This advisory form helps us to address it to the Uber team.
Which actually gives being a Uber Eats advisor high hopes that there are people to listen what we have to say.
It's really good to advocate for drivers because they're doing the job and we don't know what issues they're facing.
It needs a voice to say something. I'm quite happy to be that voice for them, and I do enjoy hearing everybody's feedback.
It was really great because I'll be able to talk to from our peers, so I can get to know what their thoughts are, what we talk about the topic today. They're really listening to us and they show us how have them improve in the app system.
It's not only my problem, this is the problem of all. So that gives me a wider perspective. That makes me feel good because we are the way to solve these problems. And I find this Uber forum very fruitful.
So refreshing to be able to resonate with other food delivery workers today, to be able to hug them and relate with them. It's like one big happy family.
These sessions really help to get that detailed perspective, hear their stories, and try to bring those kind of real life experiences and the detail of that into how we shape the things that we change in the business going forward.
When we hear the root causes, we can actually address something in a way we never could if we just looked at a spreadsheet.